Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to trim sounds on TikTok. So first of all we will open up the TikTok application here, okay? And after opening up the TikTok application here, we will tap on this plus icon at the bottom here, and then we will actually record a simple video here. So let's record a video here. Okay, so after recording a video here, we will tap on this check here. Okay, and now how we can actually trim the song. Okay, so first of all we will actually add a sound. Okay, so we will tap on this add a sound option here, and then we have these trending songs as well, and if we have any kind of favorite songs we can actually also add those. Okay, so let's suppose if I wanted to add this one here. Now here you can see that when I tapped on this sound here, I get this option, which is this cut option. Like I can actually trim the song from here. So if I tap on this one, I can actually trim the song from here as well. Okay, but I will show you the separate way, which is very good. So we will just add this song here, and we will tap on volume here, and we will decrease the original sound. Tap on done, and now what we will do here, we will tap on the edit option at the top right here. Here you can see. So once you tap on this one, it gives you a very professional video editor inside the TikTok. So this is our video here at the top, and this is our uh, audio sound. So if I just tap and drag from here, you can see that now I can easily trim my music or my sound here. Okay, so that's how to trim sounds on TikTok. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.